Soldiers assigned to the 88th Military Police Detachment recently sharpened their law enforcement skills through a non-lethal weapons training course held on Camp Zama. The program, a core component of the law enforcement course, focused on the effective use of tasers and oleoresin capsicum, more familiarly known as OC or pepper spray. The MP certification in the course is aimed at ensuring they are well prepared to enforce regulations and carry out their daily duties. The training also serves as both a refresher for seasoned MPs and a certification milestone for newer members, reinforcing their readiness to maintain safety and order on the installation.
We want to make sure that they are comfortable with what they're doing, how they respond to certain events, and overall just make sure no one's getting complacent with their job and with their training. It's just refreshing, sharpening those knives, make sure everyone knows what they're doing and can respond confidently.
The training began with an in-depth classroom session where the soldiers learned about the intricacies of OC spray, including the makeup of the substance and its variations, as well as the associated risks and side effects. The instructors detailed the proper sequence for deploying OC spray in real-world scenarios. The training also covered taser operations, focusing on safe handling techniques, including how to load and unload cartridges, identifying optimal target areas on the body, and proper maintenance procedures to ensure equipment reliability. The soldiers then moved outside to apply their learning in realistic scenarios. This included practicing the precise deployment of OC spray under simulated high-pressure conditions to ensure effective crowd control and de-escalation. They also conducted live taser drills, honing their ability to aim accurately and safely handle the device while adhering to strict safety protocols.
The instructors were very good. Any traffic stop can turn to the worst at any moment, so being knowledgeable on OC and taser, worst comes to worst, you would have to deploy it, and knowing the right ways, you would have to use it that way.
For OC and taser specifically, as an investigator, I don't really work the road that much, but it's one of those, like, we have, those skills are perishable, so being able to refresh them to get more hands-on training again keeps it fresh in my mind. And that honestly goes the same with the entire week. We've been refreshing on all the skills that we have, and of course as law enforcement, they're all very important because if we don't do things properly, someone could get injured or, God forbid, killed. So they're very important skills for us to be fresh on so we can do our jobs properly and keep ourselves safe, the community safe.
Military police regularly conduct law enforcement training, providing soldiers with opportunities to enhance and refresh their skills and techniques while gaining a deeper understanding of installation security.
One thing I would like to add, maybe for future training, is if we can come together and do some cross-training with the Japanese National Police. I would love to have some hands-on training so that way our soldiers, our military police officers, can understand how we work alongside them whenever it's responding to calls off post and dealing with local nationals as well.
For U.S. Army Garrison Japan Public Affairs, this is Dustin Perry.